neighborhoods and knocking out power for thousands house. Search and rescue efforts for storm victims began after a confirmed tornado struck the towns of Silver City and Rolling Fork, the latter of which was described by one resident as obliterated. At least 13 deaths were recorded roughly 60 miles northwest of Jackson in hard-hit Sharkey County, home to Rolling Fork, according to County Coroner Angelia Easton. 3 others were killed and at least 2 people are in critical condition in Humphreys County, Emergency Management Director Royce Steed said.